This video will demonstrate the installation of the MT lock with standard mortise. First, install the mortise in the mortise pocket of the door, running the cable to the inside of the door, making sure that it does not get pinched. Then secure the mortise to the door using the 2 wooden screws. Now take the outside assembly, run the reader cable through the top hole of the door, and attach the assembly to the door. Next, take the inside assembly, now run the mortise cable through the lower channel of the inside assembly and run the ribbon cable through the top hole of the inside assembly. Align the spindles and attach the inside assembly to the door. Now attach the lock to the door using the 4 screws provided. Now connect the ribbon cable to the PCB of the lock, making sure not to pinch the cable. Then connect the mortise cable to the lock and run the cable back through the channel so as not to pinch the cable when putting the cover on. Now install the deadbolt assembly and the spindle. Align it to 3 o'clock for auto deadbolt and for 6 o'clock for standard. Now install the inside escutcheon, making sure that thumb turn is pointed upwards. Now test the lock with the Zone 1 card. With the deadbolt out, you should receive a yellow light and the door will not open. Now retract the deadbolt and test it with the card again. You should get a green light and the door should open. Now install the 2 escutcheon screws. Finally, install the scalp on the mortise. Do a final operations test on the lock, and the installation is complete.